Huge thumbs up. Let's go. So the first thing I walk in, I see this blue wristband. So that's a Fidget. Let's put it in. And then this cool rainbow puppet. It's not really my favorite. Yes, pea poppers. They call it poppers. So this is the one part of it. Let's look on this side. Let's see. No fidgety stuff, just cute. Oh yes, I might need this. This is a part of the video. Let's go look at the other fidget. This one. Oh, yes, for my best friend. And this phone puppet. And this phone puppet. So yeah, let's go right there. Let's go look over there. Glasses, guys. Okay. Makeup. Oh, this is a Fidget, guys. I'm putting this in. Yes. Oh my gosh, look at this wig. Among Us. Let's get this one. Let's get this one. Let's look. Nothing. Stuff. Nothing. Instead of this Among Us one, let's put this plushie. Okay. Actually, no, it's gonna take up too much space, and I want to run stuff. Okay. Ooh, nails. Okay. Let's do these, and this pack of nail polish. Oh, I might need a new phone case. Guys, this is the one. My AirPods phone case. Let's get this. Let's get this one. So before we get started, before we leave, subscribe, hit that notification. Give it. I have to get this. Before you leave, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Give it a huge thumbs up. Bye.